Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with a DIY on a pair of African print earrings. Okay, here are the items that you will need to do this DIY. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire, your choice of fabric, whatever fabric that you have. You're also going to need your scissors, your ruler. You're going to need two bangles. I got these bangles from, of course, my local beauty supply store. You're going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers. You're going to need two fish hooks. And you're also going to need your handy dandy glue gun or E6000. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to cut your fabric. So I have cut my fabric about 1 inch thick, and I am going to fold my fabric. I'm going to come and I'm going to fold both of my sides in just like this and on them two together. And this where you have your pleat, well, where you have your inside that's closed in, that is the side that you are going to be, that's going to be, I guess you could say backwards or in. That's the side that that's gonna be folded. When you wrap, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna be wrapping with these in like that, okay? So the next thing you wanna do is you wanna cut yourself 2 pieces of aluminum wire. You want one piece to be 9 inches and your other piece to be 12 inches, okay? So I'm gonna go on this and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I did forget one thing. The length of my fabric is about 36 inches, okay? So it's about 36 inches, and as you can see, I folded my sides in, and that's pretty much what you're gonna have. Now, I'm gonna cut trim this top part off at the top. I'm gonna cut that off. And the first thing I'm going to do is start wrapping my bangle. So right where you see that little, right there, I'm gonna bring my, just like this, and I'm gonna put some glue on there. So I'm gonna put a smidge of glue, just like this. And I'm going to fold this over just like that. Now, this first part that I'm going to show you is pretty easy, okay? The whole thing is easy, it's not hard. Then I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping. So as I'm wrapping, I'm going to pull it as tight as I can get it. And what I'm going to do is, every time I wrap it, I just pull it tight, okay? I'm wrapping it with this side here, okay? That side is going to be open, but when you roll it over, it's going to be closed, okay? So you want to go around your whole bangle. And to save us some time, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this all the way around, and I will be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, I've taken it all the way around. I got a little piece right here that you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it over one more time to cover that up, just like that, okay? Now, pretty much what you want to do is you want to try. Okay, y'all, so basically, the next thing what you're going to do is once you wrap it around, you just bring your piece down just like that. And then you want to take it and you want to bring it up. Just make sure that it's in the center. Wait a minute. It's in the center of your bangle or your bracelet. just like this. Make sure these two are pretty much lined up together. And then you want to take your piece and you want to bring it around like this through here. Hold it as tight as you can hold it. Take it through the other side. Pull on it. As you can see what we have here. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip. I'm turning it the opposite way, so I'm going to put some glue here. Put a little bit of glue right here, just like that. I'm going to bring this piece just like this, and I'm going to place that just like that. Okay? This is going to be the back of your earring. Okay? This is going to be the front. This is the back. So basically the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off all that little extra right there. I'm going to cut this off just like that. Okay? And this is pretty much what your earring is going to look like. This is going to be the front. Okay? So the next thing that we're going to do is I am going to make my centerpiece for my earring. So I'm going to take my wire that's 12 inches long, and I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to make a loop. Okay, make my loop. And I'm just going to make a series of spirals. Okay, so I'm going to use my fingers. If you have some nylon pliers, you can use that, but I'm going to use my fingers and just start rolling this up a tad bit, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to stop, and I'm going to start down on this end and do the same exact thing, but it's going to be the opposite way. Okay. And I'm going to just start rolling it just like this. And you pretty much want both of your pieces to pretty much be the same size. Okay? You want them to be the same size. So this is what you're going to have. Okay? I think that's a little bit bigger. So that's your piece. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push this out just like this. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Push this out. And this is going to be the decoration that's going to go in the middle of your earring. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue gun. But like I said, if you have some E6000, whatever you have, if you're making these for you, it's fine. But if you make them to sell, you need to have something that's going to really hold it for you. Okay, so I put some glue on the end and I just place it just like that. Okay, and that's going to hold my earring in place. So here is my earring and we're almost done. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and take my 9 inches of aluminum wire. I'm going to make another loop. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. I was a little interrupted. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 9 inches, 12 gauge aluminum wire, and we're going to make a loop. I put a loop down on the bottom of this. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this a couple times. So I'm going to place it over top, just like this. I'm going to bring my wire through. I'm holding it in place, and I'm just going to wrap it a couple times. So that's once. I'm going to wrap it just twice. So I took it through once, and then one more time. Okay, so that's twice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go ahead and make our loop. So pretty much, you want to take your wire, and you just want to pinch it just like this. Pinch it together, and then make a circle, if at all possible, just like this. It's not going to be perfect, y'all. It's not going to be a perfect circle. And it doesn't have to be too big. And just like you did this side, you want to do this side the same exact way. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to wrap it twice on this side. One, and then two, and then I'm going to just take and snip this off. So let's snip that off with just like that. Take my round nose pliers and roll this up just like this. And then just tuck it just like that. Okay? So here you have it. And then all you do is you add on your fish hook. Add your fish hook on just like this. Close it up. And you have yourself, wait a minute, I put it on wrong. It goes this way. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video today. I greatly appreciate it so very much. Go and make plenty. And these are pretty light. They're not heavy at all. They are pretty light. So for those of you who are new to this platform, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the all button so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.